So it's been a great experience. It's been very collaborative as well. Even though we're developing solo performance, we're 7 very different artists, but we're helping each other and collaborating with each other to develop our own work as well.
I'm definitely learning how to use text, bringing that into performance and combining it with movement.
Il-klassi ta' Surmaħ ġelitni niskopri ta' kif nista' naħdem f'żoni ġodda fit-teatru.
So I'm understanding how to write some kind of monologue and trusting for now that what I have is enough.
The most I've gotten out of this was the confidence it's given me as a performer, which is funny because I didn't think I needed it, but I guess I did. It's taught me to become one with myself and one with the audience.
It's been great to have 10 days condensed to really work on writing my own monologue. I've spoken other people's monologues and I've also worked with movement and choreography, but to this opportunity to really write my own monologue is fantastic.